Hi, I'm back with informative business news, which is interesting. Well, first of all, I'll talk about passenger vehicle sales, and this has grown in this year's November as compared to last year, which is 2019's November, when there was no pandemic. Well, Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers has reported growth in the sales of personal vehicles by 13%, and this is a net growth of around 4.65% as compared to last year. This year around 2.64 lakh units were sold as compared to last year's 2.53 lakh sales. So this is like because people wanted to travel safely and they didn't want to take public transport, and that's why they traveled they bought personal vehicles. So this is a growth which is significant because people thought economy is going down, there's no money in the economy, there's a lack of liquidity, but this growth is significant that people went ahead and bought personal vehicles, and they invested in buying cars and motorcycles and scooters. So this is a significant growth, and it points at revival of economy, and also as the government saying that green shoots are now visible. So this is one data. Also Tata Motors also did well. They also sold quite a lot of vehicles. And talk about HotStar. HotStar has increased its subscriber base by around 70 lakh plus subscribers. These are paid subscribers. So this is good news for Disney, which has collaborated with HotStar. HotStar is hot now, like Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. It is also attracting good content from big brands now. And Disney is also likely to invest more in HotStar because it is becoming popular, especially with the younger generation. Maybe because of the name HotStar. So whatever the reason be, but HotStar is doing well, and it has its subscriber base has gone up by around 30% in the last 2 months only. This is in collaboration with Disney. So this is some good news for HotStar subscribers because they'll get some more good content. Now I'll talk about FlipKart and PhonePe. Well, FlipKart and PhonePe are likely to come out with an IPO in the coming year, which is 2021, and they were bought by Walmart, and Walmart is likely to invest more in these two brands because Walmart is likely to expand its base and get into pharmaceuticals, food, apparel, and these two companies will be in forefront. FlipKart, we know, is an e-commerce website, and it's likely to now increase its footprint. So they now require more money and they require more employees also. So this will also lead to some job creation. So that on that front, it's good news as well. So FlipKart and PhonePe are brands to watch out for, and when their IPOs is out in the market, it would be a good big IPO. So that's one news to watch out for, and of course I'll also update you. So this is one big news. Then Burger King's IPO was recently out, but experts believe that if you have invested in Burger King, I'm not scaring you, but you should keep a watch on the stock. Watch its movement because Burger King is not doing that well as a company, and that's why they came out with the IPO. Generally, companies come out with IPO to for money, for the inflow of money. That's why they also came out with IPO. But experts advise, especially if you are a retail investor, then you should shift to bigger companies like Jubilant Foodworks, which have a positive track record, which is a big company, which has a clean balance sheet. So you can shift to Jubilant Foodworks. And otherwise, if you want to hold on to Burger King, then watch out for its movement and watch out for its stock, like how it behaves. So at least for a month, you should be careful. And of course, you should be careful in future also, because you never know what happens when. But keep an eye on Burger King stock. So this is the wrap here on my interesting business news. I'll be back with more soon. Please keep watching and do like and subscribe and share my video, and please encourage. I'm a new YouTuber.